Oh my god, my hair is past. This is where my hair is.
Whatever you wanna do, I'm over 42 and I do not want no chaser. And you need a nigga to handle your attitude, but I'm a nigga with paper.
What is up, you guys? My name is Laura Nicole and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm about to show you guys my full wash day routine, and I'm gonna give you guys a few tips on why your wash day is not going the way you want it to be. So with everything done, this is how my hair turned out. And I did try out the extreme gel. I tried this out, but I made this in a separate video just so I can just break it down for you guys. I know you guys don't want it super long, but I'm gonna walk you guys through everything. Everything in this video will be linked down below. For those who have already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. For those who have not already subscribed, and I know you see me looking at you, looking at me, looking at you, looking at me, I don't know what you're doing. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into the video. Okay, you guys, so I'm taking my hair out. Oh, look at these freaking curls, y'all. Look at these freaking curls. Hold on, let me see. Oh my god, my hair is past. This is where my hair is. Well, this is how my hair turned out. I'm gonna go rinse it off for you guys, and then I'm gonna show you guys the finished look. I will be doing a separate video for that, mainly because I will be trying out the extreme gel. I have never used this. Bro, why does this keep on doing this? I have never used this gel on my hair, so this will be the first time that I do use it on my hair. So make sure you check out my very next video, and I'll be doing a full review. I'm gonna go rinse this out, and then I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like. Freshly washed, rinsed out, or whatever.
A few moments later.